Imagine stepping out every day feeling confident and stylish. Sound impossible? Stick around and I'll show you how to make it a reality with these simple hacks. Hey everyone, it's Cathy. Thank you for joining me today. I so appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm sharing 10 simple hacks that can have you looking stylish every day. The key is to buy less, but buy with purpose. My first tip is don't buy something just because it's on sale. Are you one of those ladies that loves to find a good bargain and you just gotta buy something because it's on sale and you can see all the savings that you're gonna save, but a year later it's still hanging up in your closet with the tag on? Maybe cut back on buying things just because they're on sale, because are they really a bargain if you never wore them? Don't buy something that you're only going to wear once. I have been guilty of this in the past, but no more. Before I commit on buying something, I have to ask myself, can I wear this 2 or 3 times? Is this piece versatile? And if the answer is no, I'm not buying it. At this point in my life, I would rather buy something that I truly love and I know that I can mix and match in my wardrobe and that I'm going to wear on repeat. I think a good question to ask yourself is, how can I style this a couple of ways? Does this fit my lifestyle, or is this for the lifestyle that I wish that I had? I know I have been guilty of that. I'll see people wearing these really nice fancy clothes and I'll be a sucker and I'll buy it and I don't wear it. And I'm like, how come? Because I have a very casual lifestyle. I don't need a lot of really dressy clothes. You know, they look great on other people, but I don't think that I'm going to be going around my house like in stilettos and, you know, nice fancy velvet dresses or whatever. So buy for the life that you have now and you're gonna feel really great wearing your clothes. Don't buy something that doesn't wow you. This is a rule that I made up a couple of years ago because I was cleaning out my closet and I had so many things that still had the tags on, and I'd look at them and I'd say to myself, what were you thinking? Like, this is not you at all. So now whenever I buy something, it has to wow me. If it doesn't wow me, if I try it on, I'm just like, if I have to talk myself into it, or if a salesperson has to talk me into it, it's not going to happen anymore. I'm going to look for something better, something that whenever I put it on, I look in the mirror, I feel confident and it brings a smile to my face and I know that I'm going to enjoy wearing it. Don't be afraid to try new brands. I can be guilty of this because I will find brands that I like, brands that I feel make me look good, brands that I feel confident wearing, brands that I know that their sizing is consistent. Because let's face it, sizing across the board is not consistent. You know, you can be a 18 in one brand and like a 2X in another brand. It drives me crazy. So what I'm trying to do now that I'm, you know, losing weight is trying new brands that I didn't think that I could wear before, and mixing and matching. It doesn't mean that I'm abandoning, you know, my Talbot Spanx, Athleta. I love those stores. Those stores are always going to live in my closet. But now I'm going to broaden my horizons. And, you know, I think it's really nice when you can shop your closet and just mix and match pieces from different stores. That's a great way to be able to get wear out of something, you know, that you thought, oh, I could only wear with, you know, this piece of clothing. So that's what I'm trying to do, is be more mindful when I'm shopping. Tip number 5 is wear monochromatic outfits. Monochromatic outfits are very stylish. It doesn't mean that you have to be in head to toe all black. You could be in navy, white, red, green, purple, whatever color it is that you like. As long as the colors match or they're in the same color family, that is a very classy, classic and chic and expensive look. It looks a lot better to wear an outfit, I believe, you know, head to toe, all in the same color family, rather than wearing, say, a hot pink top and black pants. There's nothing wrong with that look, and you will see me wear those type of outfits. But just as for a style tip, if you're asking yourself, like, how can I up my game and, you know, elevate my everyday style, that's just a tip that I have. You know, you don't have to wear really fancy, expensive clothes to look chic. Just look in your wardrobe what you have now, and if you have like navy top, I'll just pick navy. Navy is one of my favorite colors. If you have like navy pants, just put it on and then swap out your top for another color. Take a picture of yourself and compare both looks. It's not to say that, you know, the one that is not all navy is wrong, but if you want to like up your game, I think that you're probably going to vote for the monochromatic look because it just looks cohesive and it just like draws the eye in, and it looks like, yeah, she knows what she's doing. She's got great style. My next tip is to have a capsule wardrobe. Do I have a capsule wardrobe? Sort of, yes and no. I have more clothes than I used to have simply because of doing YouTube, and I have to, well, I buy new stuff to show it to my audience. But if you are somebody like me that you don't feel like you need a lot of clothes, a capsule wardrobe is great. I use a capsule wardrobe whenever I travel, and it's just so easy because you can invest in quality pieces like your pants, maybe a nice top, nice blouse, a nice dress that you can mix and match and, you know, interchange. So that's why the two staples, my two basic colors that are in my wardrobe, particularly for my bottoms, are always going to be black and navy. I still will add in the summer white or red or what have you. But for me, that's what works best. And say I want to add in like a gray top. Gray is going to go with the black and the navy. If I want to add in, you know, like that red mock neck top that I have, that's going to work with either. It's just that those two colors for me work the best, and I like them on my bottoms just because it helps to make me look a little thinner. So yeah, find colors that work for you. I know with my coloring, I can't wear tan, but tan and black is really nice. Tan and beige is nice. You'd have to have like a warmer skin tone than I do. So that's why I usually stick to like navy, black. I'm getting into gray. And then for my pops of colors, I can wear like different colors of blue or pinks or what have you. So my belief is to invest in the best that you can afford and have a smaller wardrobe, but be able to, you know, make that wardrobe work for you and be able to mix and match and wear it many different ways. If you're enjoying my video and you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. It's 100% free. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. Nothing magical is gonna happen. It's just a number that I have in my head. I have a goal and I just want to reach it. So I upload videos twice a week, and we have a really nice community of women here at Style with Cathy over 50, and we would love to have you join our community. When in doubt, wear black or wear navy. Sometimes people will make comments like, oh, you wear too much black. I like black. I like how I look in black. If you don't like how you look in black, you can still pull a black outfit off. All you gotta do is maybe just add like a colorful shirt underneath, or even a colorful scarf. Add some colorful jewelry, some colorful shoes. You know, if you need to break up, if you find that black is, it drains the color from your face, maybe just use some bronzer, add some blush. I'm telling you, black is such a nice color because it's very slimming and it looks very chic. And it's great when you travel and you only want to take a few pieces because it doesn't show the dirt, because if you're anything like me, you're gonna get stuff on your top whenever you're eating. That just, it's a no-brainer. That always happens to me. My next tip is anytime you can match your top to your third layer, like a blazer, a jacket, a sweater, if they can be the same color or close to the same color, that is a really, really chic look. That looks really expensive, and it looks like you know what you're talking about, like you know how to style your clothes. So what I've been doing lately, say if, let's just use Talbots as an example. One of the reasons I like Talbots, other than that they have petite plus clothing, is their color is consistent. So for example, one of my favorite colors to buy from Talbots is indigo blue. So I know I bought something last fall that's indigo blue. It is going to match this year's indigo blue. So that's whenever I'm thinking of like my staples for my capsule wardrobe, like keep a color family in mind. Say you do shop at Talbot's, and then you know that year after year, as you build your wardrobe, that those colors will work, year after year with the different pieces that you buy. So that's just a really, I think, a classy chic tip to keep in mind. I'd also like to ask you, if you don't mind, follow me on the LTK app. If you don't want to download the app, which is free, you can also follow along on your computer or laptop. And what LTK is, it is the company that is in charge of, making all the links. Say I link this top, you click on the link, like they're running the website. But it's a great way where you can follow your favorite people that you like to watch on YouTube. And I try and post an outfit of the day on LTK every day, because sometimes things sell out and it may be a week or two before I get around to putting a video up on YouTube. So it's just a way for you to see, what I'm wearing. You can also, if you see something that you like, there's a heart, you can click the heart, and then you will get a notification if that comes on sale or if it's out of stock and when it comes back into stock. So I hope that kind of explains LTK a little bit to you, and it's absolutely free. And they also have app-only sales. A lot of times those sales are only available to if you're following on the app or the website. Tip number 9, know your wardrobe. Can you walk into your closet and can you tell me every piece of clothing that you have in there? There's no way that I can. I'm in the process of straightening up my closet. I've got quite a few pieces that no longer fit me, pieces that no longer interest me. And what I do with my clothing that I no longer want is I find a charity that I like. I have a local women's shelter, and I donate my clothing and cosmetic stuff that, I haven't used to the shelter, and it just makes me feel good. So that might be a suggestion for you if you're wondering what you can do with clothing that you no longer want or no longer fits you. But if you know what you have in your wardrobe, you're not going to buy duplicates like I have found in my closet. I'm trying to organize my closet by color. It's a big job, but I think it's going to be a great experience, because how many black long sleeve t-shirts do I really need? And whenever you don't know the clothes that you own, the clothes that are in your closet, you can buy like 5 or 10 of the same thing. And then whenever you do get around to cleaning it, you're like, oh, I didn't know that I had that. It's a great experiment to take part in. And it's also a money saving exercise, because once you can take an inventory of what you have, then you maybe only need to buy 1 or 2 new pieces for each season, which means you can take the money that you would have spent buying the other stuff and invest in one nice piece that you're going to really enjoy and have for years to come. And my last tip is to invest in key pieces that you're going to wear time and again. So I would suggest investing in pants. If you like jeans, I like those athletic type pants because it fits my lifestyle. I don't need a lot of jeans, but I will invest in 1 or 2 pairs. Like a dress, if you like cardigans, if you like sweaters, invest in quality pieces that are going to last, that are going to stand the test of time. I'm just going to show this blazer. It's from Frank and Eileen. It is an investment. I got it on sale, 30% off. So look for sales. Nordstrom also carries this brand, and I know Nordstrom always has great sales on. This particular blazer is the first blazer that I have ever purchased that I feel comfortable wearing. I have tried lots of different blazers, and I was just of the opinion that they wouldn't work for me. I just felt stuffy in them, and I knew that I wouldn't wear them. So I saw this one, I tried it, I love it. It's not for everyone. It's triple fleece, it is cotton, it's made in California. That's, I guess, why it's a little more costly, because of those things. They're a slow fashion brand, but it's unbelievable how versatile this blazer has been for me since I got it. I wear it all the time. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with dress pants, you can wear it, with shorts, with anything. It's just one of those pieces. So I'm just showing this piece to you as an example of one piece that I thought was worth the investment. And, you know, I'm happy with it because I'm getting lots of use out of it. So if you enjoyed my video and you want to see more style tips, I'll link my playlist here in case you missed any of those videos. And I want to just thank you so much for tuning in today and spending time with me. I appreciate you. And if you found my video helpful and informative, please join our family and click that subscribe button. And I'll see you real soon in my next video. Bye.